Cheers!
Welcome back.
Okay, 9 things we've added to our van to make full-time on the road just a little bit easier.
And the good news is that none of these upgrades cost more than $50.
Ish.
What?
I mean, it's
Probably
not... No, I don't think it's healthy if the War Office knows exactly how much we spend on the van. Hi, I'm Greg.
And I'm Sandy, and we are Kiwi Wanderers, sort of full-time on the road in our Jayco Silverline, touring around this wonderful country.
And sometimes the world.
Sometimes. And this is Holly, the most spoilt dog on the planet.
Righto, straight into it. Number 1. So storage is always a consideration when you're on the road full-time. Look at this little idea. We store all our shoes, except my gumboots, with the addition of a bungee cord to the end of the bed.
They are out of sight, and when you want them, you just lift up the bed. It's so great. It's simple.
It is. Of course, if someone is in the bed, it's just a little bit trickier.
Yeah, that's
but I hardly ever want to change my shoes in the middle of it.
Not usually, hey? And way under $50.
Yes, true. Okay, number 2 on our list is a shower caddy. So this is a real simple bit of kit from Mexico, I think.
No, we actually got it from our very first caravan show in Canterbury, even before we had the caravan.
The good thing about it is there's nothing roaming around in the shower when you're travelling. You don't have to pack it away.
No, and you can actually see how much stuff is in there, so you know how much to fill up.
Yeah, cool. Sticks onto the wall with some double-sided tape, and I've added a bit of epoxy glue. So it's there for good.
Of course you have. Number 3. Now, we got this idea from Joe and Tom. Thanks, guys. We've added these swiveling nozzles to our taps, and boy, do they make a huge difference, eh?
Lots of vans have this tapware, and they have a little screw-on gauge thingy that takes about 1 minute to swap them over. Boy, it makes a difference. And it has 2 spray patterns.
And I think it probably saves us a bit of water too, because you can actually wash around the basin very quickly. Super handy, and saves us a bit of water, which is one of our 5 W's.
Yeah. Number 4, cup holders. So on our Jayco, it has nothing for storage on Sandy's side of the bed. Maybe they knew I wanted her to store stuff on my side and have to reach over in the middle of the night.
But anyway, we added this little stick-on cup holder which holds my drink bottle, and also this cool little net gizmo for my Kindle and phone and that sort of stuff. We actually got this idea from another YouTuber. Yeah.
Can't remember who. But
no.
Yeah, it does make a difference. Oh, but you do need to fold up the cup holder before you bring the slide out.
Yes.
Otherwise, it just wipes it off.
This is actually our second one, and I think we actually have one more spare.
Number 5, stick-on mirror inside our cupboard door. It gives us almost another bathroom. Well, sort of. There are no 12-volt outlets in the bathroom, so it was a bit of a drama to Sandy to blow dry her hair.
Yeah, I know, first world problem, but it really helps. And it's quite close to the bed, so we call it our ensuite.
That's it. Number 6, paper towel holder for the kitchen. We got this from Bunnings, and it sticks on with a vacuum type of thing, so there's no drilling holes. I hate drilling holes in the caravan.
Actually, that was from Joe and Tom as well. Thanks, guys.
Yep.
We made it vertical because then it doesn't decide to come off when we're travelling. It's very handy when I'm trying to create in the kitchen.
When Sandy's creating her extravagance in the kitchen, she gets dirty hands, she can grab a towel instead of washing her hands. This saves us more water, which is one of our 5 W's.
Number 7, in-cupboard rubbish bin from Bedside. It works really well when I'm creating in the kitchen, as Greg just said. Peeling and wiping stuff off the chopping board, you just scrape it into the bin. We'll probably get one of these for our home when we finally get one.
Number 8, collapsible bucket. We use this so much. It stores our recyclables. I use it to wash the ute in the van. It's great for carrying stuff, usually bottles, to the beach. It folds up flat. Once again, good for storage.
Yeah, exactly. And this was very cheap, as we were given this by our son Dylan. Actually, it was for Mother's Day. Thanks, Dylan.
Number 9, muck mat. So the step mat we have is a really good bit of kit. It straps onto the fold-up step, so you can aggressively wipe your feet on this little guy after the beach. It's fantastic.
Even Holly uses it, doesn't she?
Yeah.
And because it's outside, any extra stuff just falls off.
Yeah.
We do have several more muck mats, as you can see, and we love them all, but if you're only going to get one, this is the one.
So there you are, 9 cheap additions to your van to make life easier. Now, if you have a cool, cheap idea that we've missed, please let us know in the comments.
True. Oh, actually, what about these cool stick-on lights?
Oh, yeah.
Actually, this was an idea from Jay and Gay. Thanks, guys. So you just stick them on. You've got all these different settings.
Great.
And there's even a movement sensor too. So we actually put it in our bathroom at night, and you walk in there and the light comes on. Brilliant.
It's just great. So there you go, 10 things.
Yes, exactly.
Very
What a bonus.
cool. Wow.
Yeah. Now, we absolutely love making these videos, so please think about subscribing. It's easy and costs nothing, and it helps us grow our channel. Okay, so that's about it. Suppose,
Yeah, lots of good stuff coming up, including a review on a new wireless reversing camera.
Exactly. And our thoughts on the Easy Hitch after 2 months of using it.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you out there.
Cheers!
Cheers. You dick. I don't think we should do it like that. I think we should maybe go like that.
What?
We've got cheers like that.
And the water comes out.
No, I'm telling you not to do it like that.
Oh, okay.
Tonight we're